Hi, welcome to a new tutorial in which you are going to learn how to assess by skills and evaluation criteria. The first step is to create them. This is possible on the web version. On the main menu, there is the option Skills, below Evaluation Criteria. Once I click Skills, by clicking the plus button, I can define a group skills, and by clicking here, I can go and add the different skills. Digital competency. Example, sense of curiosity. I can add a name of the group skills, and once I add an acronym and a description, here is in case I want to delete them, and I can even organize the groups of skills in the different folders. In this case, you are going to see a group of skills that it's already created. Here you can see the group skills with the list of 6 different skills. Next, we are going to create the evaluation criteria or standards. Here, I can see different standards that I already created. By clicking the plus button, it's the same system. I enter a code and I enter a description, and I create the different list or remove them. Here you can see the different skills that I have created on other groups, and I can link the different standards and evaluation criteria to skills by clicking, and you can see that appears a tick or a check. By clicking the right button on my mouse, I can even add a ponderation or weighting. Once you have the skills and evaluation criteria created, if you work with a tablet or a native smartphone application, you just have to click on Synchronize on the main menu, and at the end, here on the web version is not appearing, and you will have all the skills and standards created. Now I'm going to access to the group Algebra. Inside the group, on the 3 dots, scrolling down, I just have to click on the checkbox Skills and Evaluation Criteria. Once I do that, automatically the tabs Skills and Evaluation Criteria will appear on the tab section. Let's see how to assess an activity and link this activity to the skills. That's super simple. When I have an activity, I create on skills, it pops up a window in which are all the skills that are linked to this group. And here I say this activity, I've assessed this, and this. So once I do this, in which I am saying on this activity, those are the skills that I've been working, those are the evaluation criteria that I've been working, automatically it will assign this grade to the tab skills. I am in the tab skills on biology group. This 7.04, when I click here, I can see from where it comes. There is a drop down and a list with all the activities that I have assigned that I was working how to resolve problems effectively. And it's making the weightings and ponderations automatically. Here I can see that I can edit, and there are conditional values. So if I am making different ranges, I can convert the numbers to text or icons. So I can take advantage of the different conditionals in the case that I don't want to do a numeric assessment. Here you can see the example with icons. And here automatically, if I go to edit, I can add the average column um, of each skills, and I can add the average column of a student. Here it's where I can set up the percentages of each skill. Pretty easy, right? Here, the system creates automatically a column with a radar graph. If I click on it, it shows me in a visual and graphic way which is the performance in red of the student Brian, and in blue the average of the rest of the students of the class. This way, I can provide personalized feedback to each student saying you should improve this skill, which is the one that you have the worst performance. Don't focus on this one or this one that you have a really good performance. So the student can focus on the skills or evaluation criteria that has to improve. Either families, either students, they like a lot to see in a visual and graphic way, which is the performance, so they understand better the results, and at the same time, this it helps teachers to, to provide better instructions to the students and develop better the skills or the evaluation criteria of their class. When it's the first time that I am accessing in a group, I will have to click the plus button once I have activated the skills and evaluation criteria on the step that we have done before, and select the skills that I'm going to be working on this group. If I click here, I can define which ones I want to activate on this group or not. This is the same step with the evaluation criteria, and if I have forgot or I want to change a name, that's possible. So here you have seen how you are able to assess easily by skills and evaluation criteria. And for those that you have the full school plan, uh, you have the full skills or standards report in which you can cross data from different subjects from different teachers, and it creates a personalized report in which you can aggregate the data and you can show also visually with the radar graph those reports that families and students love.